Guys, so I'm stuck in the house and I've got this new eyeshadow palette that my sister gave me for Christmas and I'm bored, so I want to do my makeup because I'm not going anywhere. And you know what? Why not practice, right? Why not try it out? So it's this little baby. It's so cute. Pretty neutral colors. Oh, you can see me in there. Hello. Pretty neutral colors, so we love that. So I thought I would try out some different techniques. I really want to try out this one where it's a very light lid and then go from there. I had to find the inspiration. I can't remember where I saved it to, but I'll find the inspiration and I'll show you guys. So wish me luck. I think I found it. I want to try that. I just don't have yellow. But maybe if I use like a pink, like one of these pinks, maybe if you use one of those. Eyeliner, not black. I like this color, like that goldy look to go with all these colors. Pretty. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I'm gonna go in with Frisk. Ew.